Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy a FundingPips account with debit card. First, create or log into your account by opening the FundingPips platform, clicking sign up or log in, and then verifying your email. Next, go to the Start Challenge section and click on Get Funded or Start Challenge to begin the process. After that, select your account by choosing the challenge type such as 1-step, 2-step, or instant, and then choose your account size like 5K or other available options. Now, customize your plan if needed. You may select add-ons such as a higher profit split, no minimum trading days, or faster evaluation. These options are optional but may increase the price. Next, go to the checkout page by clicking Proceed to Payment. After that, select the debit card option by choosing card payments such as Visa, MasterCard, or debit card. Now, enter your card details by filling in your card number, expiry date, CVV code, and cardholder name. Then, confirm the payment by clicking Pay or Submit. You may receive an OTP or SMS code from your bank or a bank approval notification, which you must complete for verification. Finally, wait for confirmation. The payment is usually processed instantly or within a few minutes, and after that your account will be activated. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.